Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Audi A6 rear brake pads. First, gather all your necessary tools like a jack stands, a lug wrench, and a caliper compression tool. Safety is paramount, so ensure you have gloves and eye protection. Once prepared, safely lift your Audi A6 using a reliable jack and secure it firmly on jack stands. Finally, remove the rear wheel to gain clear access to the brake assembly. Next, you'll need to address the electronic parking brake. Consult your vehicle's manual for the correct procedure to put it into service mode, or use a diagnostic tool. Then, locate and remove the two caliper guide bolts, allowing you to carefully slide the caliper off the rotor. Remove the old brake pads. Now, use a caliper compression tool to slowly and evenly push the piston back into the caliper housing, making space for the new, thicker pads. With the piston compressed, it's time to install your new brake pads. Ensure any new hardware, like shims or clips, is correctly fitted. Carefully slide the caliper back over the new pads and rotor, aligning it with the mounting points. Reinstall and tighten the caliper guide bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. If you opened any brake lines or suspect air in the system, you might need to bleed the brakes to ensure proper function. Finally, reinstall the wheel, ensuring the lug nuts are tightened to the correct torque specification. Carefully lower your Audi A6 off the jack stands. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times to seat the new pads and restore firm pedal pressure. Take a slow test drive in a safe area to confirm proper braking function. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees black ice and other great deals to keep your car feeling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.